In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you customize your timeline settings for the best video editing experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure it's downloaded and ready to go on your computer. Once you have it open, you're greeted with the familiar layout of the DaVinci Resolve interface. This platform provides extensive editing capabilities, and today we're going to focus specifically on optimizing your timeline resolution. Now that you're inside DaVinci Resolve, look towards the bottom right corner. Here you'll find the Settings button, which might also be familiar to those comfortable navigating the application. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will bring up a menu offering a range of options that allow you to tweak how your projects operate and look. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the option labeled Timeline Resolution. This is your main area of focus for optimizing how your media is displayed while editing. Adjusting the timeline resolution can greatly influence the speed and quality of playback during your edits, especially if you're working with high-resolution footage. You can think of this setting as telling DaVinci Resolve how to handle your media, optimizing performance versus quality based on your preferences and system capabilities. For example, you might choose a lower resolution for smoother editing of large files, or set it to a higher resolution for projects where detail is paramount. Feel free to explore and adjust this setting according to your project's needs or your computer's performance specifications. Make sure to experiment with different settings for various projects, as needs can vary greatly depending on your specific editing goals and the type of footage you're working with. Once you've adjusted the timeline resolution to suit your needs, you're all set. By configuring this setting, you'll not only improve your workflow efficiency, but also potentially save some time in the long run by minimizing playback issues and ensuring your editing environment runs smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Remember, the key to mastering DaVinci Resolve or any editing software is patience and practice. So don't hesitate to explore more settings and try out different configurations to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching and happy editing.